Hi, today I will show you how the incoming Nota Fiscal of service can be manually received in the application. In this example, I will use a supplier that is enabled for tax withholding. The default income code can be defined in the supplier page, tab Invoice, using the option Tax Withholding Report in the section Supplier Income Type. Please note that the option Self-billing is unselected for the supplier in the PO Matching tab. Now, let's create a new purchase order. And inform the supplier for services. Here, as you can see, the default business transaction ID was automatically fetched from supplier. Save the record. In the part lines, enter the purchase part related to the service. Define the quantity, the price, and save the line. In the release 24R1, calculation of service taxes with the external tax system is not yet available. This way, the service taxes must be informed manually directly in the incoming Nota Fiscal page. Now, let's confirm this purchase order and start the receipt process. In the incoming Nota Fiscal page, enter a new record, select the document type Services Nota Fiscal, and enter the purchase order number in the PO reference field. The application will automatically fetch the supplier and the site from purchase order. Inform the document series, select the Fiscal document module from the list of values, and inform the document number. Save the record, and in the Lines tab, click the button Copy Unreceived Purchase Order Lines. In the line copied, you can enter the taxes details by using the dialogues Tax Lines or Tax Lines Withholding. In the tax lines, enter a new record, select the tax code from the list of values. The application will automatically bring the tax base amount, percentage, and calculate the tax amount. Click the Done button and then OK. In the tax lines withholding dialog, enter a new record, and in the tax code field, select the tax code type tax withholding you want to inform. The application will automatically fetch the tax withholding basis, percentage, and calculate the amounts. Click the Done button and then OK. Now the next step is to approve the incoming Nota Fiscal. You can do this by selecting the button Approve in the page header. As the supplier is not selected for self-billing, we have to create the supplier invoice manually. You can do that by clicking the button Create Manual Supplier Invoice in the page header. Using the button Manual Supplier Invoice, you can navigate from the page Incoming Nota Fiscal to the page Manual Supplier Invoice. Let's check the taxes and taxes withholdings available in this invoice. Select the line, click the tax lines. The Manual Supplier Invoice Tax Lines dialog, you can see the tax amount related to the tax informed in the Nota Fiscal. Select the tax lines withholding And in the tax lines withholding dialog, you can see the 3 taxes withholdings informed in the Nota Fiscal. Next step, you need to receive the purchase order. You can do that by clicking the button Receive. In the Receive dialog, click the OK button and then proceed. Now you have to match the supplier invoice line with the receipt previously done. Click the button Match Purchase Order Receipts per line. In the Matching Line section, click the button Match All. And then click the OK button. So this is all about the manual receipt of incoming Nota Fiscal of services in the application. Bye!